In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to find free element templates and components in Webflow. If you want to speed up your design process and avoid building every section from scratch, Webflow has a very useful feature that makes that a lot easier. You can access free community-made libraries filled with reusable components, and in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find them and how to install one into your project. To begin, open your Webflow project. Once you are inside the designer, open the Add panel. The quickest way to do that is by pressing the A key on your keyboard. Or you can simply click the plus icon on the left side panel. This area is where you normally add elements and structure to your page, so it's the starting point for finding extra design resources as well. After the Add panel opens, navigate to the Layout tab. This section contains structural elements and also gives you access to more design assets beyond the default options. Take your time here if you are new to the interface, because understanding where the Layout section lives will make it easier to find helpful tools later on. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of that panel until you see the option labeled Browse More Libraries. Click that to open the library browser. This is where Webflow lets you explore community-provided element libraries that you can install directly into your project. These libraries can save a huge amount of time, especially if you need polished sections like navigation bars, accordion layouts, pricing cards, and other commonly used website components. Once the library browser opens, look for the filter options and turn on the filter for free libraries. This is an important step because it helps you narrow the results down to libraries you can install at no cost. That way, you can quickly focus only on the resources that are available for free and avoid sorting through paid options. From there, choose a library that fits what you need. One example is a completely free library that includes more than 200 components. Libraries like this can be especially helpful if you are building landing pages, business sites, or client projects and want a solid set of ready-made elements to work with. When you find the one you want, select it and click Install Library to add it to your project. After it's installed, you'll be able to access those components directly inside Webflow and start using them in your designs right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.